Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Maggie if you haven't been here before, and my fiance is Zach. And we are renovating a late 1800s barn to get married in and then open a wedding venue. So some of the couples that have come out, we tell about the creek, but they haven't actually seen it. This creek runs along the whole back part of our property. And you can see it's really pretty. It goes all the way down the back part of our property. 611 is right there and continues to flow. And that is Bruno. So, ooh, there's a bug on my face. So we have made a lot of progress in the barn. And in fact, this morning, we had a 9 a.m. meeting to talk electricity and lighting, and it went on for 4 hours. So we immediately came inside and I took a nap. But I'm now awake and I want to show you all the things we've done in the barn since our virtual tour that we did, because a few things have happened. Whew. We ran to the barn from down by the creek because we can't tell if a storm is coming or not.
Which looks like it's clear skies now.
Yeah, so now I feel stupid for running. Okay. We have a lot of updates for you, so...
Do we? I think we do.
What are you talking about?
I'm joking.
Okay. So, we're out on our patio right now. You can probably tell, instead of having green, there is finally some red. Okay, and then I think Zach is excited to show you the next thing that we just got yesterday. It's a doozy. All right, Zach, you want to tell us what you're standing on?
Well, aside for now, but hopefully be walking on in another week or two. But we finally got our outdoor stairs. So these stairs were taken from the old warehouse in the Baltimore region, and ultimately are going to be placed right in the backside of our barn here. We have great restoration plans, which we're going to keep you guys posted on as we go through the progress.
They don't look like much right now, but you wait.
And they're a perfect fit.
Yep.
Which we got very fortunate with these, so
yeah.
Very excited, and stairs inside going in soon too. So
let's go show them that. Are you closing the door on me? Oh. We don't know. Hi.
Although there's no handle on the inside, so
yeah,
difficult.
So this is walking towards our main staircase, which you can show. Please don't fall, because apparently he tried climbing this. I gotta watch him at all hours. But you can see they put some walls up back there, some temporary walls. That's actually becoming part of the barn now, which we'll show you when we get upstairs. But
yeah, just providing some of the structure and the backbone to the stairs before we get the pieces to finish the puzzle there. So.
Yeah, and we've been waiting for this electrical box to be moved, so until that's moved, we can't finish the stairs. It's kind of that. Hey, my coffee from this morning.
Might still be good.
I'm thinking not. What else did we decide on? Oh, we talked a ton. Here, I'm gonna flip the video so you can see both of us. There we go. Woo! We talked a ton. You know, you don't have to be so tall, Zach. Jeez.
I'll need you to scoot back a few feet.
Yeah, this is why we do. There we go. So we, like I said, had a 4-hour meeting with our electrician this morning. Although he left like hour 2 or 3. But we came up with a lot of the lighting designs for in here.
So I think we should save as a grand unveil once we
probably should
get them in, because that's a pretty big piece of the.
Yeah, I think we can talk about upstairs though. The four main pieces.
Dust.
Not Corona. 4 main pieces that are gonna go up there. Walking through the hallway doesn't exist.
The new Bridal Suites.
Yeah.
Maggie's office.
Can't
stone
wait.
Wall, facade in the back.
Oh yeah. Oh, and these guys are getting fixed up. Where are the windows?
They are.
You
right
can
over
see
here. These
were totally beat up, so they actually took out what was here and we bought new little windows that are going to fit in there. Here we are. Aren't they cute? I can't wait. It's gonna look awesome.
Frame, so these are just the sash.
Yeah. So we'll have one in the bridal suite. All this stone is starting to be worked on. We have a guy that did amazing work on repointing. Actually, no, he didn't even repoint. He made this wall here and the one that was over at that door. So he is fixing up the holes in the wall on here. All right, we're walking back upstairs to show you kind of what's happening up there.
Exciting. Me on there.
I know, the pigeons are driving you crazy. They still haven't moved out, but they will be out. I think in the next 2 weeks, because we're getting a forklift to finally do the windows up here on either side, which are sitting right here. Because the lights do a whole lot right now.
What we have.
So we can talk about the lighting up here, and the two major and the two, yeah. So we decided 2 large chandeliers in the middle columns, I guess. So this
rows 2 and 3 of the
Yep.
4 little dividers.
So this
here.
one and this one. And then what else?
We're gonna have the 2 large ceiling fans in rows 1 and 4 on the far ends. And most likely have them spinning in different directions to really get the airflow constantly circulating and recycling throughout the day of the events.
Yeah. As you can see, we, I think about a week ago, moved in all of our chairs that we have so far. It's quite a few. And this is our table that we put 2 sawhorses on, and some more chairs, and our book of where we started is sitting out so we can show couples, you know, this is where we're standing right now. Obviously a big difference. And some decor that I am working on for our wedding. And then our bar. Can you serve me a drink, sir? I think I need one. I don't think I want them.
So let me see what I got in here.
Oh.
Would you like some caffeinated water?
No, I think I'm all right.
Just gonna blend you guys a drink in our fancy new, what is soon to be a bar.
Yeah.
So.
It's just the framing of it, but it's starting, and you can see the hot and cold water, and yeah. There's going to be cabinets along the back and cabinets along here. We're hoping to put a TV up here, which would be pretty cool. So I don't think there are any updates up here. Can you please get in here before you fall off? Jeez. These are the legs that our contractor's working on. He's just like making prototypes.
Yeah, getting some
So we
ideas for,
figure out what we want. Yeah, so kind of cool. But I think that's it. I think those are all the updates.
Yep.
Great, so hopefully you enjoyed our updates on the barn. And we are sure to, we'll be sure to keep you updated on everything that's happening.
A lot of very big updates and progress to look forward to in the next 1, 2, and 3 weeks, honestly. So
We're just a
Might be
little
done.
stressed, you know. It's a lot, but
it's enjoyable.
yeah. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next. Bye.